So this is the Ryobi EasyEdge Edge. And just a quick heads up on how to change the actual trim line. So you've got these two buttons, one right there, one right there. I'm going to squeeze them both. I'm going to pop off this little cap. Put that aside. You've got this little, what is this, like a little hub? I'm not sure. But this is where you're going to put your trim line. I'm just going to get rid of this one to show you how it's supposed to go. So it tells you to rewind the line going that way, clockwise. But in order to do that, you have to clip it on just like that from the top. Pop in one end, pop it in the other so it latches on. And you can just start winding it up. Now once you pop it back in, you are going to have to get the little, the final line into that little hole right, where's that? Right there. Just pop it out, pop this back in, clicks on, you hear the click, I don't know if you click it but it don't spin anymore. Pop the cap back in, and once it spins, cuts off on the little blade. If you need more, you got this little button. You just yank on the line, push the button, and it comes out. Little by little. As you need some, you just click on it as you go.